Be honest. Have you ever walked into school and you felt like that everyone is judging you? Just like you are invisible, or even worse? Awkward, right? What if I told you that you don't need expensive clothes or expensive stationery, nor a cool personality to stand out in school? Today I'm gonna share with you all some tips and tricks that will actually help you to present yourself better at school without those cool personalities or expensive things. Even in such a way that people will respect you and always remember you. Hey guys, it's me Manviti Rathod. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you all some tips and tricks how to present yourself better at school. So let us begin. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about so many different kind of things, and I chose this topic because like maybe you all can connect with me so much, because that is really important at this age to present yourself better, that you can do more remarkable in your future. Okay, yeah, if you want to feel so much confident and like out of the box at the school, this video is just for you. So let's talk about the small changes that makes a big difference. So first, your body language speaks first. Okay, so let me explain you what does it mean. So first of all, before you even say a single word from your mouth, your body actually speaks louder than a single word from your mouth. Okay, so it is really important, because your first impression is last impression, and your body language is first what people others see you. Okay, if you walk your head down, your eyes on the floor, and even your fold is scrunched, I mean shoulders scrunched, so people will think that there is only insecurity and nothing about their personality, right? Smile slightly and even go with confidence and walk with confidence, that everyone will see you and like look at you, that how much confident you are. Okay, like you instantly look so much confident, and even if you are not confident from your mind, you actually look confident from outside, like you are acting. Your brain will start feeling that only, and you indirectly become so much confident, right? So tomorrow, try this whenever you enter your classroom. Just walk softly and go slowly, and just sit on your bench calmly and look around softly. You all will feel the difference. Second, the way you talk actually matters a lot. You don't need to talk a lot to impress people, because that's not your work to impress people around you, right? But jokes apart, you just need to talk clearly and confidently. Instead of whispering or rushing your words towards like a bullet train, just speak softly and calmly, and don't just give it a run, right? So tomorrow, try this. Instead of saying, "Ma'am, I think maybe the answer is," just try this. I think the answer is A. Tiny difference makes you look so much confident, right? And remember, being powerful and being calm is only equal to a powerful personality. Third is your habits build your image. People don't remember what brand you wear. They remember how you behave. Are you kind? Are you happy? Are you positive personality? Do you respect teachers and even your friends? Do you behave calm in chairs? These things create your school image slowly and slowly. You just build it up. Listen, you don't have to be perfect, okay? Even small habits like packing your bag calmly, listening to teachers slowly, and even coming on time to school, completing your homework, etc., makes you a responsible person in the school. Fourth is confidence comes from self respect. Here's the secret: the way you treat yourself, that is the only way the teachers and others will treat you. If you consistently say that I am dumb, I don't know anything, and I am a failure, or I am a dumb person, your mind actually accepts that, and that only reflects outside, right? So you have to be positive. Instead, say that I'm still learning, I will learn it, and I will do my best, and I'm creating something big. Listen, you don't need to be best, but at least try to be best and perfect. Okay, you just have to be organized and be calm and confident. You just have to believe in yourself to do better. This is the final message. I mean, presenting yourself better in the school doesn't mean you have to kill your own personality and the way you are. You just have to present yourself in a better way that most of your time you don't do, right? So you just have to present yourself in a better way and a good manner that everyone loves you and likes you. And yeah, you are not boring, you are not lonely, and you are not sad at all. Tomorrow when you walk in the classroom, just be like you own the classroom, you own the school, not like in an arrogant way, but yeah, in a confident way. Walk into the school like you belong there, because you do. एंड या आज की वीडियो अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी अच्छी लगी हो एंड रिलेटेबल लगी हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर एंड या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो एंड इफ़ यू वांट मोर कंटेंट लाइक दिस please tell me in the comment section. I know this is a very small channel right now, but we are trying to make it even bigger. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And that's it for today's video. Wait for the next one. Till then, bye bye.